Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to unbox this package from Apple. So I recently purchased this from Apple store, which is in Delhi, Saket, and I have actually unboxed it and verified the product before at the store itself, but I thought to make a detailed video on what I have purchased, how I have purchased, and how much I have paid for it. So this package has a MacBook Air M4, and along with it I have got a small gift. I won't say a gift, I have definitely paid for it in some way or the other. So let's just take it out. So this is our MacBook, as you can see, and then we have got this little gift as well. So let's keep the bag aside. This is the AirPods 4, which I have received free because I have purchased this MacBook Air in the student discount, back to school student discount program. So if you don't know, I am currently pursuing my master's degree from IIT Patna, and I showed them my college ID card, and that was pretty much it, and I was eligible for the discount. If you guys want, you can also avail the discount from the online store of Apple. You just have to verify yourself via Unidays. So you can use your IIT Patna email address, or if you are in any other institute, you can use the email address of your institute, and then you will have to create an account on Unidays, and once your account is verified, you are good to go. So without further ado, let's just open it and I will show you what all I have got and how much I have paid for this. So this is the AirPods 4. It is the active noise cancellation one. So it cost around 17,900 something, or 17,000 only, I'm not pretty sure about it. Let's check. Okay, 17,999, and these are really amazing. I tried it once at the store and I was unable to hear anything that was around me in the active noise cancellation mode. It is just amazing. I will give you further reviews or a detailed review if you want on this later on, but let's jump to the main product that we have here, and then we can talk about it. So this is the MacBook Air. This is the M4 version, and I have taken this midnight black color, and I am not pretty sure if I can open it with one hand, so I will use my two hands, and I will just take it up slowly, and here it is. So as I told you, I have already opened it before, so it is not like I am unboxing it right now. I have already unboxed it. Just I wanted to make a video and show you guys what all we get in box when we purchase a MacBook. And let me tell you, it is the same product that you will get if you pay the full amount. So it is not like they are discriminating or anything if you are purchasing from your student ID card or something like that. So this is the product, and guys, this is amazing. I've been using MacBook M2 for around 2 years now. I purchased it in 2022, and this one I got because I thought maybe I should try the new processor and see how it is. And you can see the look of it. Just it feels very premium, no doubt in that, and it is so sleek, see, and it is very powerful as well. So if you want, I will make a video on that all part also, but let's check it out. So this is the screen. I've already set it up, so I will just quickly log in and then I can show you. This is, by the way, this is my wallpaper or home screen, you can say. You can tell me how it looks, and there is a small quote here which I have: "The world is not enough." So it is a quote from a James Bond movie. The name of that movie is actually "The World Is Not Enough." I actually am a very big fan of James Bond, so I kept this. I don't know if you were able to see my password, but I really don't care because I will change it later on, no problem in that. I know that there is a lens glare, so I will just turn off the flash. Give me a moment. Alright, so the flash is turned off, and I hope you're able to see the screen. So I will just quickly show you my camera is acting weird today, by the way. I don't know why it is not focusing properly. Maybe I forgot to clean the lens. There might be some. So I will just show you the upper part of it, because I don't want to spend a lot of time editing the video, and I don't want to show you the serial number as well. So this is the MacBook Air, and this is the M4 chip, and this is the memory of it. I hope it helps, and I will simply remove it, because I don't know why people have to hide the serial number, because obviously of some privacy concerns, and just don't want to spend a lot of time editing a video and all those things. So I will simply upload it. I don't I want to show you that is absolutely similar to the MacBook that I have before. So just give me a moment. I will throw it aside. I will keep this one here, and this is my old MacBook M1, and they both are absolutely similar. Like, there are no difference at all. This is my previous MacBook which I was using before. It works absolutely fine, to be very honest, but I just thought maybe I should get a new one. So this one is also in a mint condition. I will just log in and then I can show you. Just a moment. Alright, so it is turning on, and then I will be able to show you okay. So if you want, I can play some things, and then I can show you if there is any difference or not, because I don't find any difference right now, obviously, because I'm not using any energy draining application right now. But if I do, then I will definitely see some differences. I still have to buy a cover for it, a cover, a case, whatever you call it, and I have to ensure that. Yes, so on this it is currently, what should I play? Some 4K video, copyright free, because I don't want any kind of copyright claims on my channel. This one is a little bit dirty, you might be able to see. Yes, so we have same page. I think that night mode is turned on this one, and I have forgot to turn on the night mode. So what I will do is that I will just turn it off on this laptop as well, so that we can have the similar experience. And I have just turned it off. I will increase the brightness on both the laptops, so that we can see what is the screen and how it is overall. Let's see how faster it is. It's absolutely similar. To be very honest, I don't think there is any difference in the screen. It is currently in HDR, and it is also like it is in HD only. Just a moment, I will play it in HDR 4K. It is already HDR. Perfect. Maybe you guys can tell if you are able to see any difference on the screen resolution or anything which I might be missing. The volume is also amazing on both, so they both are on full volume. I will just pause this one and then we can enjoy the video over this. I think that both the devices are absolutely amazing, to be very honest. So if you have a MacBook M2 already and you are just using it for small tasks, studying and some small projects on MS Excel or things like that, or using Tableau, then that's enough actually. But if you are not having a MacBook M2, or if you are having some other laptop and thinking of purchasing a new MacBook, then you should definitely go for this one, because it doesn't make sense to buy a M2 right now for like 70,000. You can add 15,000 or 16,000 more and get this one from Amazon or Flipkart right now for around 83,000 rupees. By the way, I just forgot to show you what else do we get in the box. So this is what we get in the box. Apart from that, this is a charging cable that we get, and we also get a charging brick. I don't want to take it out because I already have my other charging brick. So this charging brick is okay. I have to take it out because I have to show you something. So it has just one port here. As you can see, you can charge only one device at a time, which is absolutely fine. But this one has two. So this is the one that I got with my previous MacBook. It has a magnetic charger, and just in case if any one of you might face any kind of issue, I will show you what is the right process of removing this. So if you try to pull this, obviously you can put a lot of pressure and you can pull this, but the easiest way is to just break it. Just break it and it will come out. So just don't have to pull it, just break it. Easy peasy. And you can definitely write in comment section if you want any special kind of comparison or anything like that. I even have my other office laptop, so this is not the one that I own, but this is the one that is provided to me by my office. This is the HP EliteBook. So this is also an amazing laptop actually, and if you want to see a comparison between them, then I can definitely show it to you. So it is also an amazing machine, and I love it a lot whenever I'm using it. Just for privacy reasons, I cannot show you a lot of the details, but about the performance, I must say that I love my MacBook more than anything because it is just phenomenal. I don't game, I don't do those things, I'm not into gaming and all. Just for general productivity, it is just amazing. Obviously there are some apps like Power BI, Ultrix, which you cannot use in it if you are someone from the finance background, but then you have your office laptop. If you want, you can use those applications in your office laptop definitely. And see, it is a very good machine as well, like no problem in that. But I like this one, I don't know why, but I just love this. It is so sleek, it is so slim. This is very tough machine, and obviously there is one more laptop sitting under it. I don't want to put a lot of pressure on it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. There's nothing fancy in it, just pure review of what I purchased. Obviously I forgot to tell you how much I paid for it. So as I told you, I'm a student right now, so I used my student ID card and I got this MacBook and this AirPods for AirPods 4 for 89,999 rupees, and that's it. If you have any other questions, if you have any concerns, you can definitely put it in the comment section and I will be happy to reply. There's nothing fancy in this video again, but I hope you will understand that I don't have much time right now to edit and all, but in coming future I will definitely put some effort in the post-production. And that's it guys. Thank you very much and have a wonderful time ahead, and do subscribe to my channel please. This is just a small request. You can subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of videos in mind that I am working on, and I will definitely be uploading them soon. So signing off for now. Thank you.